Hi friends, today we're going to be learning all about patterns. And patterns are everywhere. You just don't notice them yet. But after today's lesson, you're going to see patterns everywhere. And you're going to keep coming up and saying, Miss Christine, I found a pattern, I found a pattern. So let's get ready to begin, friends, okay? So today we're going to start out with a little music. And it's from one of our friends, Miss Patty, one of our favorite people to sing with us, okay? And she's gonna sing us a song about patterns. So let's listen and see if we can figure out what a pattern is, okay? Green, orange, green, orange, green. What's next? Orange. Let's do another one. Let's see.
This time the pattern's gonna go even faster.
Okay, get ready. Patterns next to you.
Do you see the
Patterns too.
When I stop, tell me what it should be. What is the color that you see? Green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. What's next?
What's next?
Orange.
Orange. My friends, do you see what a pattern could be? Let's look closely. Up here, Miss Christine has a chart, and it says patterns. And a pattern is the same thing that's repeated over and over and over again, okay? So this is a two-color pattern, and that's what we're going to learn about today. So just like Miss Patty, she had two colors. She had green and orange. So can you help me see what's going to come next with the green and orange pattern? You ready? I want to hear you calling out the colors. You ready? Green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. What do you think is going to come next? Who knows? That's right, Alyssa. Very good. Green. How did you know that green was going to come next? How did you think about that? What was your thinking? That's right. Very good. Because you thought it was going to come, it repeats itself. Green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, and then green again because it repeats itself over and over and over again. Very good thinking today. Can you look around the classroom and can you see? Do you see any other patterns in the classroom? Take a look. Let's be a detective. Let's put on our goggles. Let's see. Do you see a pattern? I think I see one. Colin, what pattern do you see? Oh, that's right. You see the days of the week. What type of pattern do you see? Can you tell us? Very good thinking. You said it was green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. What do you think will come next? Jordana? Great listening. Jordana said yellow. Do we agree or do we disagree? Let's give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs up, you guys agree. Jordana said yellow is going to come next in the pattern. Very good, my friends. So who can tell me, in the book yesterday, we read a story that was called Teddy Bear Patterns. And in the book, we saw many patterns of different colors with teddy bears. Do you all remember that? Good job, friends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the patterns from the story. Are we ready to see what the pattern is? And maybe you can help me figure out what is going to come next. You're going to help me figure out which color is repeated over and over and over again. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have craft sticks here. Who could tell me the colors that I have? What colors do you see? That's right, you see yellow and red. So watch Miss Christine's pattern and let's see if we can figure out together what comes next. Okay, let's see. I'm going to start out with red, yellow, red, yellow. Do we see a pattern here? Let's think together. Let's say out the colors out loud together. Red, yellow, red, yellow. What do you think is going to come next? What do we see repeating in the pattern? Dylan? Very good. He said red. So let's all say it out together. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red. What do you think is going to come next? Yellow. Very good, friends. And how did we know yellow was going to come next? Who can tell me? What was their thought of thinking? That's right. Very good. Because she saw red came, then yellow, then red, then yellow, then red, then yellow. You figured it out because the pattern keeps repeating itself. Great job, friends. Okay, so now what we're going to do is a fun activity. But first, I'm going to show you how to do it together as a group, okay? So let's see. I have Skittles. I have a whole bunch of Skittles here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pattern, and I want to see if you can guess what pattern it is, okay? You ready? Thumbs up. Great job. I'm going to start out with, let's see if you can see it. Green. Let's see. Let's figure this out. Green. Yellow. Green. Yellow. Who can tell me what color is going to come next? What is the pattern being repeated over and over and over again? Natalia? Great job raising your hand. Great job. What is it going to be? Green. That is right. Great job. So the pattern is, let's say it together. Green, yellow, green, yellow, green. What's going to come next? Yellow. Very good. Because you followed the pattern and it repeated itself over and over and over again. Just like our chart, right? I'm going to do one more with you. Are you ready? Who's ready? You sure? Okay, here we go. Let's see. I'll push these to the side. Okay, I'm going to start. What color? Red. Blue. Red. What color do you think I'm going to put up next? Let's think about it. What seems to be repeating? Red, blue, red. That's right, friends. Blue. Because it's repeating itself over and over and over again. Let's see what's going to come next. That's right. Red. And then, maybe another red? Does that look right for our patterns today? Our AB patterns? Let's see. Red, blue, red, blue, red, red. Is that right? Or is something different? Or does it seem, maybe we should do it again? Can you help me? Okay. Red, blue, red, blue, red. Should that be another red? Or should it be a... Very good, Eddie. You're right. It should be a blue. And why should it be blue? Why shouldn't it be red? That's right. Excellent thinking. Because the pattern is red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Excellent. You guys are superstars at patterns. And you know what? At the end of the lesson, I think since you guys are doing such great thinking, we get to eat those Skittles at the end, okay? So what you guys are going to do in partners. You're going to work together and you're going to see if you guys can guess the patterns together, okay? So the first step of what you're going to do is you are going to get white strips. And on your white strips, you're going to have colored circles, 2 colors. And at the end, you have to guess what is going to come next in the pattern. You have to figure out what's being repeated, and then you're going to have to color in what goes next. I'm going to do this one with you first, okay? So help me out, friends. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Now you and your partner have to decide what's going to come next. So together, what do we think is going to come next? It's going to be that's right, it's going to be yellow. So you're going to take a yellow crayon or a marker, whatever's at your table, and you're going to draw a yellow circle. You and your partner, are going to make predictions, take guesses on the patterns, and guess what's going to come next. What is being repeated over and over and over again. So you have a few of them at your table. Some of you have blue and green, and some of you have purple and orange, okay? So you're going to fill those in with the marker or a crayon, and there is also going to be bowls of Skittles for you and your partner. So when you're done, you can, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. You can color in a circle, or you can find the Skittle that's gonna go next and place it down, you and your partner, okay? You're gonna make predictions and guesses. Then when you're done with that, Miss Christine's gonna come around and I'm gonna see how you do well with your patterns. You're gonna tell me all about your patterns. And then when you're done, you're all gonna get a blank strip of paper, okay? And now you have to make your own pattern, and your partner has to guess your pattern that you created. For example, let's say I want to do orange. You can either color it in on it. If you don't want to touch your Skittles, you can use a crayon or a marker, or you can use the Skittles, whichever you feel comfortable touching. Orange, blue, orange. Colin, if you were my partner, what do you think would go next? Let's see if you can make a prediction and see if you can guess it. Orange, blue, orange. That's right, Colin. You can put a blue Skittle there. So your partner is going to guess your patterns. And I'm going to come around and listen to all your thinking. And then at the end of the lesson, when we're all done, we're all going to come back and you're going to share your patterns together as a class. Okay, let's get started. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, go off and do your patterns.